विद्यार्थ्यांच्या कलागुणांक माची मेळोवन दिवपी इक्विनॉक्स या सांस्कृतिक महोत्सवात राज्यातल्या वेगवेगळ्या 11 कॉलेजीचे मेळून 200 परस चड विद्यार्थी वांटेकार जाल्यात। वरिष्ठ प्राध्यापक आणि गोय विद्यापीठाचे कुलपती डॉ. विजयेंद्र नाडकर्णी हांच्या हस्तुकी ह्या महोत्सवाचे उक्तावण जाले। ह्या वेळार कॉलेजीचे ट्रस्टी प्रवीण झाटिये आणि सिद्धार्थ झाटिये आणि हेर मानेस्त हाजीर आशिल्ले।
See, since 2011, we were in an era what is called industrial development or industrial age 4. Now, after we have started with 2021-22, we are in that industry 5.0, or maybe a point where that industry 4 and 5 are together. And what is going to happen? See, the industry 4, which was based on artificial intelligence, you will find every act of your life there is going to be some involvement of the artificial intelligence, the sort of automation. And as students, you are required to understand that when automation takes its part in the day-to-day life, there are going to be changes in the job profiles around you. Some jobs would get removed, some new jobs would come. And you should be very, very careful in watching these changes around you and adapting to them.
That should be not limited to education. It should be sports as well as cultural activities. One should take part in drama, one should take part in various events. One should develop himself into writing, singing, everything that one can get to. One never knows what kind of a direction your life will take. It's up to you to decide what you want to do with your life. I wish all the students the very best. That the Equinox holders now, the students, the committee especially, after this Equinox there will be Gunj, which will be a inter-class event. I wish both of them all the very best.
Today is a day we were waiting for, and today's day has gone into a lot of preparation. The preparation by our student council started almost 2 months back, or even maybe before that. The entire council has worked tirelessly to make this function happen. And the success, as Amonkar has very rightly pointed out, the success of this function will be based on your wholehearted participation. When I am saying wholehearted participation, I want a decent participation, because these type of events are basically competitions, and when it comes to competition, we resort to reckless competition, and I don't think that is expected from you.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर दिवचलच्यान तुकाराम सावंत।